Hello plus one. Today again we are moving forward about the sets. So definition of empty set is set has no element, also called null set or void set. Equal sets. Set A and B are equal if each has exactly the same element. Like that A has 1, 2, 3, 4 and B represented 4, 2, 1, 3. But exactly all digits are equal in counting and exactly they are equal. That means two sets are equal. Equivalent set. Two finite sets means number of elements are equal and can be defined and they are equal number of in elements, like A is 1 2 3 4, B is A B C D. There are four elements in counting. They are equivalent sets. These are the differentiation between the equal set when their exactly elements are equal. Equivalent set, number of elements are equal. So in certain represented area in set builder form, x belongs to natural number x k is equal to 4. You have to solve the value of this x k equal 4. Take 4 in right hand side, x k minus 4, it's a k minus b k, using the property of the factorization a minus b, a plus b. So x is equal to 2, x is equal to plus 2. So value of this set in a roster form 2 minus 2. Now a x such that x is set of integer and x less than and equal to minus 3 to less than 3. Less than and minus 3 means you take over starting from minus 3. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Less than 3 means less than 3. Detain it before 3, 2. B x such that x is set of integers minus 3 less than equal to positive 3. So start in a roster form minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and equal 3, because you have the sign less than and equal 3. So stick them till then 3. Take care of the sign less than equal to 3. Now in sets, in number intervals, you have to show the number on intervals. What is intervals? You have two values a and b, two distinct points belongs to real number in finite interval. Finite interval means you know from where to where you have to go on. First of all, represented in open interval. Set of a real number lie between a and b and is said to be an open interval. And guys, see it carefully, open interval is represented in that kind of intervals. So symbol in open interval a to b, x such that x belongs to real number, so less than equal to a, less than equal to b, less than a, less than b, between a and b. Graphical representation of lines, suppose it's a line, you have from a to b. This is the sign of open circle means open interval, throughout to positive infinity, throughout to negative infinity. Closed intervals, set of all real numbers lie between a and b and set to form a closed interval, and closed interval represented in that kind of bracket, and graphically represented a to b with a dark circle of a and b up to positive infinity and negative infinity. Now graphically representation of given set is called Venn diagram. This is the definition. Actually depend upon the intersection, addition and subsets property which you have done already in last video. I think you have to revise it all. Set A is given 1 2 3 4, B is given 2 3 5 7 8 and C is 2 3 9 10. These all three sets belong to universal set. Universal set means the bigger set which has 1 2 3 4 up to 10 elements. Because this is a universal set, it means A belongs to you, B belongs to you, C belongs to you. By the definition of subsets, when each element of A belongs to you means A is subset of you. Each element of B belongs to U, which means B subset of U. Each element of C 2, 3, 9, 10 belongs to U, it means C subset U. So each element of smaller set belongs to the bigger set, making the subsets property. Now you have to compare ABs to each other. You see AB has an intersection elements 2, 3. Between B and C intersection element 2, 3. Between CA intersection element 2, 3. This is a format to show the intersecting point between all three sets. This is the portion where all three sets intersect, representing the intersection point of all three 2 and 3. Complete the element of A 2, 3 is here. Remaining element 1, 4 given under circle A 1 and 4. You have element in B 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 2, 3 already in intersection form. Remaining element represented under circle B 5, 7, 8. And in C 2, 3, 9, 10. C. This is a part of C intersection point 2, 3 containing for all three circles, all three sets. And C remaining part under C 9, 10. Now sit very carefully and compare all the elements from universal sets to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Only 6 is remaining, which is of the universal set U represented under U. So graphically representation of the sets, that is called Venn diagram, depended upon the all properties of addition, intersection, union, subsets, and show it in figures. So try your examples of that kind of conditions. Have a good day.